Good morning, children. One important thing, children, today, you just listen carefully. We are going to conduct FA1 test. So so far, only few parents they turned up for the last correction day. No, only few parents they turned up. So I request all of you, whoever has taken books and all, admission and all, no, please write the notes and come for correction. Classwork and go homework matra, because worksheet anybody can copy and give for you for your learning only. Worksheet you copy in some old book or any book you can copy for your learning. That we are not going to correct, but classwork and homework, please come and get the signature. We'll give attendance also, and this month only we are going to conduct FA1. So EVS I have completed the portion. For science part 2 lesson I have completed, and general this one social studies also 3 lessons I have completed. So and all the notes are also uploaded. So notes you complete and come for the side. Today I will give revision. Since I completed the portion for FA1, today I will give EVS revision. This portion you can write in one book, separate book, or old book, last year's unused book also you can take, any rough note, anything you can take. So all teachers will give all the 5 subjects, you write in same place. So it will be easy for you to learn. Okay. So today I'll start with EVS revision. For what? FA1 test. The date and correct date and all you will be intimated through your phone. So EVS revision I'm giving now. First main, fill in the blank. This one write neatly, children. With answer also I'll give. So it will be easy for you to learn. And try to read. Reading is very important. Question paper you have to read on your own. So read again and again. If you understand the question, you can write the answer. And when you write, fill in the blanks, on the dash, whatever the words, the spelling you have to write separately. Practice, for practice, okay? You have to read the sentence and this spelling separately you practice 5 sentences. Like that you do. So first one, fill in the blanks. First main I'm giving, you write with me. Write in your, this is not classwork, this is revision. Say some other book you write, rough note or any separate book you write. So many unused book is there, no? Last year you take and write. So first one is plants breathe through. So plants leaf part is there, no? Leaf, in the leaf one hole will be there that we cannot see with microscope only it is seen. One hole is there, that is called stomata. Through stomata they breathe. So that is the breathing organ is stomata. So what is the spelling? So what is the question? Plants breathe through stomata. So this answer only you should write. See the spelling? Stomata. S-T-O-M-A-T-A. Stomata. Things made by people are called. Now next one I'm telling. Things made by people are called man-made things. So like table, chair, chalk, board, clothes, everything. What are people are making? That is called man-made things. So you can write man, M-A-N, man, made, M-A-D-E. Man-made things. Next one, fruits have dash. If you cut open fruit, what you will get? You will get seeds. Sometimes one seed like mango. Then watermelon will be many seeds. Banana, there is no seed. So fruits, they have seeds inside them. Seeds. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. Write along with me, children. Plants breathe through stomata. Things made by people are called man-made things. Fruits have seeds inside them. Number 4, a food chain always starts with. Now see, in nature only plants they can make their own food. So any food chain, the plants are eaten by herbivore, means which animal like deer, cow, goat, they're herbivore because they directly eat the plant or plant-based food. They can eat leaves also, grass also, seeds also, fruit, flower. So they eat only fruit-based. So they are called herbivore. So any plant it is eaten by herbivore. Then any deer or any cow it is eaten by carnivore, means some animal, other animal are eating these herbivores. Then this carnivore, when they die off, their bodies get mixed up with the soil. Once again in that soil, plants will grow. So that is only called food chain, we say. That is only called food chain. So all food chain starts with plant because only they are the producer of the food because we cannot make our own food. So a food chain always starts with Plants you should write. Plants. What is the spelling? Plants. Plants. So next fifth one you see. Fifth one I rub and write here. You continue. Fifth one. Fill in the blanks. Fifth one you write. The shape of the earth. The shape of the earth. The shape of the earth. What is the shape of the earth? Of the earth is, shape of the earth is dash. What you should write? You should write round. So what is the answer? Round spelling R-O-U-N-D, round. Okay. So one more I'll give. Number 6. Large areas of lands, like neatly, of lands on earth are called continents. Are called dash continents. What is the spelling? C-O-N-T-I, continents, N-E-N-T-S. So our earth is made up of land and water. I told you 3/4 part is covered by water. That means so many sea, ocean, river, lake together. It is land. That is water bodies. And only one part that is called covered by land. So bigger land part, it is called continents. Like Asia continent is there. Our country India is part of Asia continent. So big land part, it is called continent. Large water body content, that is called ocean. That is the difference. Okay. So large areas of land on earth are called continents. We have 7 continents. So this is one thing. Then second main I'll give. Second main, give one word answer. This is also important. Second main I'll give. Little I'll give children. One day I won't finish. So you can practice. So still time is there. But this month only we'll conduct everyone. So you practice revision. So give one word answer. One word answer. See, number 1 is the process of P-R-O-C-E-S-S, process of preparing food, by plant is called. So like this question will come, you have to write only one word answer. What is the answer then? It is photosynthesis. You know, only plant can make their food. Where they make their food? In the leaf. So in the leaf, chlorophyll is there. One pigment is a green pigment that can absorb solar energy. Means sunlight it can absorb. So it can absorb solar energy. Through the root, water will come. Carbon dioxide it is present in the air. So it will take all the 3 and it will make their food. So that process of making the food. Question what? The process of preparing food. So this answer we should write photosynthesis. Bigger spelling you see photosynthesis. PHOTO, photosynthesis, SYNTHESIS, photosynthesis. So this spelling you separate, you should practice. PHOTO, photo, SYN, synthesis, THESIS. So second one I'll give now. Number 2. A group of stars. A group of GROUP. Group of stars. Our group of stars is dash. Galaxy. 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 So this is the answer. GALAXY. This is the one word answer. Number 3. The layer of air. The layer of air. Layer of air surrounding the earth. SURROUNDING. Surrounding the earth is, so our earth, it is surrounded like a blanket, layer of air. So it will protect our earth because so much sunlight we don't need. There are some harmful rays also there. So it will just send it back. And how much needed, how much is needed for our life to sustain, that much temperature only it will let us enter the earth's surface. That is one thing. And life-giving oxygen, it is also present in the atmosphere. So that is a layer of air that is only called atmosphere. Atmosphere is also protecting our earth. It is giving our important air like oxygen and all. So that's why it is so important. The layer of air surrounding the earth, it is the answer is atmosphere. You should see the spelling, children. Atmosphere. See. ATMOSPHERE. Atmosphere. PHERE. Atmosphere. Okay. So next. One more I'll give. Number 4. Number 4, the earth is also called the earth is also called we call it blue planet because from space astronomers they saw it is mostly 75% is covered by water, no? So it looks like blue planet. So earth is having another name that is called blue planet. So that is the answer, blue planet. So BLUE, blue planet. PLANET. Can you see? I'll rub and write 1 second. Wait. 1 minute. It is also called blue planet. BLUE, blue planet. PLANET. Okay, so this is the answer. 3 men over. Next, what it is? One more main I'll give, then we'll continue the next class. Okay, so third main I'm giving now. Third main is match the following. Match the following. Now see here, rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit, butterfly, butterfly, then you write moon. This side you write, this side words, then that side I'll write. Number 4, you write fish. Fifth one, you write flower. Flower. You should read the word, and children, reading is important. Sometimes you know the answer. You can't read means wrong place you write your answer. So flower, you have to read. So this is rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. This is butterfly. This is moon, fish, flower. Now this side I'll give. Nectar, nectar you write. Then you write carrot. Then you write fins. Okay, next you write fins I wrote, then satellite you write, S-A-T-E-L-L-I-T-E, satellite. So what is remaining? So, okay, so first we how many other 5 I gave? Moon as satellite I wrote. Fish, fins I wrote, butterfly, nectar, rabbit, carrot I wrote. So what I missed? Achha, first we'll match, then I'll see what is missing. So rabbit, you know carrot. So right here, number 1. Rabbit, you match with carrot. Then butterfly, you match with nectar. With nectar you match. Number 2. Okay, one more you write here. Change to flowers. Change to flowers. Achha, next option what is fins. Fins, with the help of fins, fish can swim in the water. So fish, what is the number? It is number 4. Then satellite. Satellite means what? Which objects revolve around the planet. You know planets revolve around sun. Some object revolve around planet also. That is called satellite. We call them moon. We have one moon. Moon is satellite. So number 3. You write. And flower, it changed to fruits. It is sidewise only. This one you change them. Change to flower. Order you change. Change to flower. Change to fruit actually. Fruit. I'll tell you what it is. And what it is missing. So flower will change to fruit. It is number 5. Satellite. Now it is correct. You see. So it is number 3. Once again I'll tell you children. So write properly. This side I gave rabbit, butterfly, moon, fish, flower. So here nectar, all some flower that they will be having sweet juice in it. So honeybees and all the butterfly, they suck that. Okay, so directly honey it is not present in the flower. A sweet juice will be there. That is only called nectar. So nectar will be matched. So butterfly they suck that. Then rabbit they like carrot, you know. So number 1 I have matched. Moon is natural satellite for our Earth. We have only one moon. Other planets, they have more than one moon. So number 3 I have matched with satellite. You see. Then fish, they fly, they swim with fins. With the, suppose it is fish, no? So they have like this. These are only fins. Okay, so they have more than one or two, that is only called fins. So with the help of fins, they can swim in the water. And moon is satellite too. And flower, what happens after a few days, it will just get dried up and it will change to fruit. So flower change to fruit. So I matched here. So up to here, because together I won't give these 4 months I gave, you start learning, children. Because if and by the time you complete the notes, all subject, not only my subject, all subject. Thank you, children. Have a good day.